Hey guys, what is up? It is Dark Lord, and I'm bringing you guys another Creek exploration video. I don't know what I'll be doing this one. I thought I was gonna have some friends join me, but it doesn't look like I will. These bricks and stuff is awesome. Shit, these are my shoes. I'm trying not to get them wet. I'm not going for it. I think my bike's up there. Just going to come down and have a sit. This is awesome that somebody actually did. You can tell somebody did this a lot, like the board's bending. I'm probably going to record 2 videos today. One with just me and one with my friend Hayden. I don't know what we're going to be doing. My other friend Trevin, the retard, he got grounded, so what is this? What the fuck? Seems like some piece of metal that's stuck. It's a catapult. Pew! 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 Oh crap. Oh crap. Yeah, this thing ain't coming out. I don't know what it is, but it won't come out. Anyway. Half this video has just been awkward silence. And I don't like it. It's easier when I have somebody to record with. Like, easier to focus. And talk more, for some reason. And my shoes are wet. And not even my shoes, but they're wet now. Ooh, I'm about to take my phone to go up there. Right over here to go CT. Fuck. Here's a game area. If any of you are ever in my town, come down here and throw rocks into this hole. I fail miserably every time. Oh, never mind. My first one. I'm getting better. I'm better because I'm on camera. Never mind. Okay, last one. Here is some more metal. This place is filthy. Really. And he throws a piece of metal back into the water. Ooh, frogs. Ooh, do you see that one jump? That was cool. That was cool. That was very cool. I need a YouTube buddy. Not me, but I want a YouTube buddy. One more rockin' hole. Oh, rock, motherfucker, rock. In the hole, please. Oh, 2 more rocks. 1 more. Oh. Actually, I wonder what's in this thing. Oh, that's cool. Whoa. What is that? That's weird. I didn't know. I'm throwing another axe into it. Underhand. Ooh. Laid it in. Underhand again. Nope. I failed. I failed, you guys. I'm sorry. This one's not going to be so much like showing creatures and fish, but ooh, there's a crab at me. A baby fish. Anyway, it's not going to be it's not going to be a lot of that. My next video will. What is that? Dude, that's the paper I threw in last night, and that's how nasty it got, just overnight. I don't remember what it was. Oh no! The last day of school, I went around getting people's numbers, and I filled that paper up. Oh, a minnow. I don't know if you can see it right there. There's 3 of them. These are really stupid to see. Yeah, that was probably the most dumbest decision I've ever made. I put his phone in water. Fishy. Ooh, that one was actually a baby fish. Like, bigger right there. Tell me if you guys can see it.